This is a nemef nf4. I've only got it open once. I'm gonna try to get it open on video. This might be a long one, so I gotta try to get these check pins set first, because there's two check pins, and then there's two check pins, and all 6 of the pins are tapered. Okay. First check pin. Okay. So 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The hard thing with these dimple locks is keeping the camera clear. 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, now we're in a full set, and this is where it gets interesting. So, alright, bear with me for a second. And I have to switch my tensioners, because I need something to guide me on these pins, because this side's so open that if I don't, I'm just gonna slip right off of it every time. So there's 1, 2. Let's see. I don't know. 3, 4. Come on, get on there. I might have just dropped it. Oh, dang it. Come on. 1, 2, 3. This is that 5th pin. It's insanely high set. And it's just giving me a hard time getting underneath of it. And then getting it set. I keep slipping off of it. I gotta make sure that I'm on the pin and I'm not just turning the cord, because there we go. Alright. That's open. Oh shoot. So yeah, I'm sorry that one took a little longer, but this is the nemef nf4. You can see that it has the 2 check pins that had to be lifted. It had 6 tapered pins, and then getting it out of that false set was a pain. But that is the nf4.